Sorry,
That's
I
okay.
have to go to receive
How are you?
another meeting.
Good. Very pleased to meet you. Very happy to meet you. Yes, good. Okay. Thank you very much.
When you are president, you see, you send invitation.
To you, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I really very much excited. And I always consider Africa continent, great continent. I feel great potential. So I'm very, very excited when I received the invitation. But then, because it's my physical condition, long flight. Now since last, I think, 2-3 years, visit America, no longer,
Yeah.
too far. And even go to Europe, also difficult.
From Delhi to here. So he made a lot of efforts to come here.
Thank you.
And the President Botswana also didn't want him to come here. So he was removing all the diplomatic protocols, security details, everything. But he said he's going to come. And he really wanted to meet his son.
Thank you.
But we were looking very much to your visit a year or so ago, 2 years ago, when you were due to come to Botswana. But we fully understand that it's a long journey for you and you were not able to come. But I do bring you greetings from many people in Botswana and outside our country. They are very motivated by your teachings. And I thought it was very important after you extended the invitation for me to come and join you on this occasion to be here. So I made every effort in order to accomplish that. Métis who have their own languages, and some of the languages also have dialects. But in the country, we have one language, national language, which is taught to everybody in the schools, because at independence, the government felt it was important that for unity of the country, you need to be able to communicate with one another. So then people are allowed to speak their own languages, develop their own languages, but nationally, at a national level, there's one language which is taught, and then we have an official language which is English. The national language is called Setswana.